Assalamu alaikum, good evening, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. This is Dow Jones hourly chart. Currently Dow Jones is trading 31,040. It had made high around 31,100 and currently trading 31,040. Interestingly, it is just approaching the higher zone. And let's have a look at resistance and support, then I will assess the trend of the market. Dow Jones resistance stands at 31,150. Dow Jones support stands at 30,820. Currently Dow Jones trend is weak, so avoid going for buy, but if Dow Jones break 150 and manage to sustain above that level, then expect Dow Jones to test around a new lifetime high 31,300. If Dow Jones break our support, which is 30,820, and manage to sustain below that level, then expect Dow Jones to test around 30,600, and even 30,200 is not far away. Market must be waiting Fed decision on interest rate, which is tomorrow. So make sure if you are holding any position, keep a strict stop loss, because we will have a Fed decision and Fed conference as well, that is due on tomorrow. Now let's move on to Nasdaq. This is Nasdaq chart. Yesterday it made high around 13,190. Currently it is trading 13,481. Market recovered very smartly. It had made high around 13,506. Currently trading 13,481. Let's have a look at resistance and support. Nasdaq support stands at 13,320. Nasdaq resistance stands at 13,520. Currently Nasdaq is also in weak zone, so avoid going for buy. But if Nasdaq break 520 and manage to sustain above that level, then Nasdaq may test around 13,600 and 13,800. Now let's move on to S&P. This is S&P 500 chart. Currently it is trading 3860. It made high around 3865. Interestingly, this is also in weak zone, so quickly have a look at resistance and support. S&P 500 resistance stands at 3872. S&P 500 support stands at 3830. Currently S&P is in weak zone, so avoid going for buy. But if S&P break 3872 and manage to sustain above that level, then expect S&P to test around 3900 and even 3930. If S&P break our support of 3830 and manage to sustain below that level, then expect S&P to test around 3800, and even 3750 will not be far away after breaking 3830. Now let's move on to commodities. First we will see gold. This is gold chart. Currently it is trading in a very small range. Yesterday we made video around 38.55, 58. Currently it is trading on same level. Let's have a look at resistance and support. Currently trend is very flat, so I will just give support and resistance. Gold support stands at $1848. Gold resistance stands at $1866. Currently gold trend is very flat, so avoid trading in gold. If market does not break our resistance, like if gold does not break 1866, then stay away. If gold does not break 1848, then stay away. Now let's move on to crude oil. After that we will see euro and bitcoin. This is crude oil chart. Currently trading $53, 53.17. It made high around 53.24. Currently trading almost at the highest level of the day. Crude oil support stands at 52.20. Crude oil resistance at 53.90. Currently it is in positive zone, so avoid going for sell. Now let's move on to euro. This is euro chart. Currently trading 21.46. It has recovered from 21.07 and trading almost 40% above 40 pips from its lowest point of the day. Currently trading almost at the highest point of the day as well, highest 48 and currently trading 47. So let's have a look at resistance and support. Support stands at 2090. Euro resistance stands at 2060. Euro need to break 2160 if it wants to get in positive zone. If it does not break this level, then market may crash again. But if euro break to 2160 and manage to sustain above that level, then expect euro to test around 2200 and 2250. Now let's move on to Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin chart, currently trading 31,500. It made low around 31,180. Let's have a look at resistance and support. Bitcoin support stands at $29,800. Bitcoin resistance at $34,200. Currently Bitcoin is trading in weak zone, so avoid going for buy. If you want to avail my paid buy and sell signal, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. I have given my WhatsApp number in description. For live market updates, please follow me on Telegram and Twitter. I have given links in description. If you have enjoyed this video, please do not leave the video without giving a thumbs up. I will see you tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye bye.